SpaceX did it again. With another successful launch, they continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in space travel. They snatched a falling rocket booster from the sky, a feat that seemed impossible just a few years ago. Imagine a cosmic ballet, but with fiery engines and supersonic speeds. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. This is the future of space travel unfolding before our very eyes. Each launch brings us closer to a new era of exploration. For decades, rockets were single-use only. They were marvels of engineering, but their journeys were one-way trips. Up they went, splashing down into the ocean, never to be used again. It was a costly and inefficient process. A watery grave for expensive, sophisticated machinery. Billions of dollars sunk to the ocean floor. SpaceX is changing the game. Their innovative approach is revolutionizing the industry. Their reusable rockets are designed to fly again and again, making space travel more affordable and sustainable. This is a monumental shift. This latest feat of aerial acrobatics is a game changer. Catching the booster mid-air is a technological marvel. By catching the booster mid-air, SpaceX eliminates the need for a costly, time-consuming ocean recovery. This innovation saved both time and money. It's like getting a hole-in-one and having the ball magically return to your golf bag. It's efficiency at its finest. This is a pivotal moment in human history, folks. We're witnessing the dawn of a new age in space exploration. We're not just launching rockets anymore. We're laying the groundwork for future generations to explore the cosmos. We're building a highway to the stars, a pathway that will lead humanity to new frontiers. And this time, it looks like we might actually be able to afford the tolls. The dream of space travel is becoming a reality, one launch at a time. The mission that accomplished this remarkable feat was part of SpaceX's ambitious Starship program. Starship is not just another rocket, it's a fully reusable transportation system designed for interplanetary travel. Think Mars and beyond. Imagine a future where humans can travel to other planets as easily as we fly across continents today. This particular test flight was focused on the booster stage, known as Super Heavy. This behemoth is powered by 33 Raptor engines, generating over 17 million pounds of thrust. That's enough power to lift 100 elephants to space. Imagine the sheer force and engineering marvel behind such a feat. The objective was to launch Super Heavy to a certain altitude, then have it perform a controlled descent back to Earth. This descent is not just about coming back, it's about precision and control. The twist? Instead of landing on a drone ship or landing pad, they were going to try and catch it with a giant robotic arm, mounted on the launch tower. This arm, a marvel of modern engineering, was designed to catch the booster mid-air, and catch it they did. The world watched in awe as the booster was caught with pinpoint accuracy. It was a heart-stopping maneuver, with the booster performing a graceful flip and landing perfectly in the waiting arms of the launch tower. This was not just a landing, it was a ballet of technology and precision. It was a symphony of engineering precision and a testament to the audacity of human ambition. The success of this mission paves the way for future interplanetary travel, bringing us one step closer to making the dream of space colonization a reality. Okay, maybe it is rocket science, but don't let that intimidate you. The basic principle behind catching a rocket is surprisingly simple, even if the execution is incredibly complex. Imagine playing catch with a friend, but instead of a baseball, you're tossing a giant, fire-breathing rocket. Sounds crazy, right? But that's essentially what happens. The rocket booster is equipped with grid fins, which act like the flaps on an airplane, controlling its descent and steering it back to the launch site. These fins are crucial for precision. As it approaches the tower, the booster uses its engines to slow down and maneuver into position. This is where the real magic happens. Meanwhile, the launch tower's robotic arm, affectionately nicknamed Mechazilla, swings into action. This isn't just any robotic arm, it's a marvel of engineering. This massive structure is equipped with a capture mechanism that essentially clamps onto the booster's grid fins. It's like a giant hand reaching out to catch the rocket. Timing is everything in this high-stakes game of catch. The precision required is mind-boggling. The arm needs to close at precisely the right moment, securing the booster without damaging it. A fraction of a second can make all the difference. Too early and the booster might swing wildly, potentially causing a catastrophic failure. Too late, and it's game over. The booster could miss the capture point entirely, leading to a crash landing. It's a delicate dance of technology and timing.
Velocity, oh, we can see it coming down through the plume.
Booster booster coming in hot for booster catch.
We're going to ignite 13 of those Raptor engines, and this view is incredible right now. You can see how fast this vehicle is moving on the left-hand screen.
Landing burn has been ignited. We're now down to 3 Raptor engines. We can see those chopsticks now in the rear